Icicles have been collected from the roof, courtesy of our drafty old house, and now it's time for Bloody Marys. We're going to use icicles for our Bloody Marys. So I'm just going to chop these up and put these in the freezer. Okay, we're going to make Bloody Marys. This is how I do it. I get a large mason jar, and then we're going to do a combination of the V8 Spicy Hot, kosher dill pickle, going to use some of that juice, olives, Worcestershire, and I like a lot of horseradish. So let's start with and fresh lemons and limes. It's got to be the kosher dill, not the bread and butter. That would be too sweet. So Worcestershire, a lot of horseradish. We'll do that to start. These lids are great. Put that on. Give it a shake. Taste test. And it's good already because of going with the spicy hot vegetable juice. Fresh lemon and lime juice. That really adds a lot of nice freshness to it. That's so good. That's so simple. And I put the fresh lemon and lime juice into the glasses. So I'm going to squeeze a lemon into each one. A little bit of lime juice in each. I've got my icicles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vodka. Kettle One is always a good choice. Put the vodka in each glass. Normally I would do this in a shaker of some sort, but I'm doing it this way because of the icicles. That's probably good. Give them a stir. Whoa. These obviously will melt down. Oh, yes. Should we go with 3? Okay. And then we got the garnish. You put the lemon on first. It's the biggest one. Then the lime. A couple of olives. And you are ready for the icicle Bloody Marys. Can you see it? This one looks better. Let's look at this one. Terrific. All right, I got 2 straws. And there you have it, the icicle Bloody Marys. Adding a couple more in. Oh, there we go. Lovely.